Spain. Spain is a captivating country located on the Iberian Peninsula in southwestern Europe. It is bordered by Portugal to the west and France to the northeast, with the Mediterranean Sea to the east and the Atlantic Ocean to the northwest. With a rich history, diverse culture, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, Spain offers a wealth of experiences to visitors. From its bustling cities to tranquil countryside, picturesque coastal towns to ancient monuments, Spain has something for everyone. In this comprehensive description, we will delve into the various aspects that make Spain a remarkable destination. Geography and regions. Spain is the second largest country in Western Europe, covering an area of about 505,990 square kilometers, 195,360 square miles. The country's geography is incredibly diverse, with a range of landscapes, from mountains and plateaus to coastal plains and islands. The country is divided into 17 autonomous communities, each with its own distinct characteristics. Some of the notable regions include Andalusia, Catalonia, Madrid, Valencia, Galicia, and the Basque Country. These regions not only offer different landscapes but also have their own languages, cultures, and traditions, contributing to the rich tapestry of Spanish identity. History and cultural heritage. Spain's history is a tapestry woven with influences from various civilizations. Throughout the centuries, it has been shaped by the Romans, Moors, Visigoths, and Christians, among others. This diverse heritage is evident in the country's architecture, art, and traditions. The Roman period left a significant mark on Spain, with the remnants of ancient cities like Mérida and Tarragona showcasing impressive Roman architecture. The influence of the Moors, who ruled the Iberian Peninsula for nearly 8 centuries, can be seen in the stunning architecture of the Alhambra in Granada, the Great Mosque of Córdoba, and the Giralda Tower in Seville. Spain's Christian heritage is exemplified by magnificent cathedrals and churches scattered throughout the country. The Santiago de Compostela Cathedral, the endpoint of the famous Camino de Santiago pilgrimage, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of Spanish Christianity. Cities and urban life. Spanish cities are vibrant and dynamic, offering a mix of history, culture, and modernity. Madrid, the capital and largest city, is a bustling metropolis known for its grand boulevards, elegant architecture, and world-class museums. The Prado Museum, the Thyssen-Bornemisza Museum, and the Reina Sofia Museum house some of the world's most renowned art collections. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is a vibrant city with a distinct Catalan culture and a rich architectural heritage. Antoni Gaudi's masterpieces, including the Sagrada Familia, Park Güell, and Casa Batlló, are iconic symbols of the city. Seville, the capital of Andalusia, enchants visitors with its Moorish architecture, narrow streets, and vibrant flamenco scene. The Seville Cathedral, the largest Gothic cathedral in the world, and the Real Alcázar, a stunning royal palace, are among the city's must-visit landmarks. Other notable cities include Valencia, renowned for its futuristic architecture and the City of Arts and Sciences, Granada, home to the Alhambra and the charming Albaycín neighborhood, and Bilbao, famous for the Guggenheim Museum Bilbao and its revitalized waterfront. Natural beauty and outdoor activities. Spain's natural beauty is awe-inspiring, with diverse landscapes ranging from snow-capped mountains to picturesque coastlines. The Pyrenees mountain range in the north provides a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, offering opportunities for hiking, skiing, and mountaineering. The Picos de Europa National Park, located in the Cantabrian Mountains, is a stunning destination for nature lovers. The Spanish coastline stretches along the Mediterranean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean, offering a wealth of beautiful beaches. The Costa del Sol in Andalusia, with its sunny climate and picturesque villages like Nerja and Marbella, is a popular destination for beach lovers. The Balearic Islands, including Mallorca, Ibiza, and Menorca, boast pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. Spain's interior is dotted with stunning natural parks and reserves. The Doñana National Park in Andalusia is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a vital habitat for migratory birds. The Teide National Park in Tenerife, home to the highest peak in Spain, is a volcanic wonderland with unique landscapes. Gastronomy and culinary delights. Spanish cuisine is renowned worldwide for its rich flavors and varied regional specialties. Each region has its own culinary traditions, offering a gastronomic journey for food lovers. Tapas, Small plates of savory delights are a quintessential part of Spanish gastronomy. From traditional dishes like patatas bravas and Spanish omelette to more elaborate creations, tapas are meant to be enjoyed with friends and paired with a refreshing glass of wine or a cool cerveza. Paella, originating from the region of Valencia, is one of Spain's most famous dishes. This flavorful rice dish is typically made with saffron, vegetables, and a variety of ingredients such as seafood, chicken, or rabbit. Other regional dishes include gazpacho, a refreshing cold tomato soup, cocido madrileño, a hearty chickpea-based stew, and pintexos, the Basque country's version of tapas. Spanish wines are celebrated worldwide for their quality and variety. The Rioja region is renowned for its red wines, while the region of Ribera del Duero produces robust and flavorful reds. The sparkling wine known as cava is produced in the region of Catalonia and is a popular choice for celebrations. Festivals and traditions. Festivals are an integral part of Spanish culture, reflecting the country's exuberance, religious devotion, and zest for life. These celebrations are marked by vibrant parades, traditional costumes, music, and dance. The running of the bulls during the San Fermín festival in Pamplona is one of Spain's most famous events. Thousands of participants run alongside bulls through the narrow streets of the city, creating an adrenaline-filled spectacle. Semana Santa, or Holy Week, is a significant religious festival observed throughout Spain. Processions featuring elaborate floats, religious statues, and hooded penitents take place in cities and towns across the country. Seville, Malaga, and Valladolid are particularly known for their impressive Semana Santa processions. La Tomatina, held in the town of Bunol near Valencia, is a unique festival where participants engage in a friendly tomato fight. It attracts thousands of people from around the world who gather to throw ripe tomatoes at each other, creating a spectacle of red pulp and joyous chaos. Carnival, celebrated in various cities and towns across Spain, is a time of vibrant costumes, parades, and street parties. The Carnival of Santa Cruz de Tenerife and the Carnival of Cadiz are particularly renowned for their exuberant atmosphere and colorful displays. Art and culture. Spain has long been a hub of artistic and cultural expression. It has produced world-renowned artists, writers, and musicians who have made significant contributions to their respective fields. Spanish art has flourished throughout history. From the ancient cave paintings of Altamira to the works of renowned painters like El Greco, Velázquez, and Goya, Spain's artistic legacy is profound. The Prado Museum in Madrid houses one of the world's finest collections of European art, featuring masterpieces by Spanish and international artists. Literature has played a significant role in Spanish culture, with prominent figures like Miguel de Cervantes, Federico García Lorca, and Pablo Neruda shaping the literary landscape. Don Quixote, written by Cervantes, is considered one of the greatest works of fiction and a symbol of Spanish literature. Music and dance are deeply ingrained in Spanish culture. Flamenco, an art form originating from Andalusia, combines soulful singing, passionate guitar playing, and energetic dancing. It expresses a wide range of emotions and has become synonymous with Spanish identity. The traditional music of Galicia, known as gaita, features bagpipes and creates a distinct and haunting melody. Conclusion. In conclusion, Spain is a country of immense beauty, rich history, diverse culture, and warm hospitality. From its architectural wonders and stunning landscapes to its culinary delights and vibrant festivals, Spain offers a captivating blend of old-world charm and contemporary allure. Whether you're exploring the bustling cities, lounging on sun-kissed beaches, or immersing yourself in the traditions of the local communities, a visit to Spain promises a journey of discovery and a lifetime of cherished memories. Thanks for watching.